see you here. Welcome to the chaos room. This is the room where I do all my arts and crafts, so it's super chaotic and messy. I don't even know if you can see the background, hopefully not. I can never make this room look tidy because I'm constantly doing stuff in here, and so I kind of just gave up. I just use it for arts and crafts and filming basically. So today we're gonna do a little bit of decor and recycling again. I have this wooden crate right here. Basic crate, nothing really special about it, and I want to transform it into a bed for my cat. So we're gonna try and transform this very basic wood crate into something a little prettier, gothier, and hopefully that my cat will love. Probably not, because she's but I love her anyway. So first step, Joana, guess. Spray paint. I'm using a satin finish spray paint. That's my favorite kind of finish. It's not too matte, it's not too glossy, it's just perfect. And if you're doing this indoors, make sure to open your windows and use something to protect your floor, of course. The crate is not the easiest object to paint. There's a lot of crevices and whatnot, so make sure to go into all those little holes and details and openings. Once it's nice and dry, I leave it to dry at least 24 hours just to make sure it's time to start decoring. I bought this lace, which is super beautiful. It has this silver effect in one side and it's plain black in another side. And I'm gonna start gluing it on the crate by using some hot glue. Make sure to go until the edges. And I'm just gonna start doing this little by little and see how it works. You just want to pat gently the lace against the glue. Careful because obviously the glue is very hot, so I was doing it with my nails, but if you don't have long nails, you want to do this with maybe a pencil or another object just to tap it. And I'm just gonna do the same for the rest of the side of the crate. A little bit more glue, make sure to get those edges. And tap, tap, tap. Let's turn the crate around. Do the same again on this side. A little bit more confident this time, so I'm covering a larger area. All right, turning the crate again. And you just do this on every side. As you can see, some parts of the crate are still white, so I'll probably go there with a pen or something just to cover those white spots. They don't bother me too much because you can't really see them unless you're looking at the crate upside down, which hopefully that's not gonna happen a lot. But yeah, so okay, final side. Now time for some more details. I have these little bows that I just bought. My hands are full of glue here, but they're super cute, and I'm gonna use one bow on each side. So I'm gonna put the bow right on the center of every side. This one was not very centered, I just noticed it. I'm repositioning it here, and I'm gonna do this on every side. As you can see, I still have a little bit of lace there that I need to cut. It's just, you know, the extra lace that I'm gonna save for another DIY for sure, even if it's just a little piece, but you can reuse everything. All right. So my battery dies here, and there was one bow missing, so I just changed the scenario a little bit, and I'm completely obsessed with this lace. It's so shiny, it's really pretty. And I'm gonna put the last bow. There you go. So cute. We're almost done, so this is a pretty simple tutorial. Now we need to fill our box with something so our pet can lay there. Of course, you can do your own pillow or you can buy a pillow the size of the crate, but I think the easiest way is just get a very fluffy blanket and just fold it until it fits your crate. So that's what I'm doing here. Just putting the blanket. It's really fluffy. Make sure it's bouncy, it's not a hard type of blanket. And you're done. So the only thing you're missing is a cat. And there you go. And she hates it. Mission accomplished. Good job. You did it. So here's some pretty details of the new pet bed. Little bow, so cute. The lace is beautiful. The blanket is fluffy. I would want to sleep on this bed if I was tiny enough. Simple but big transformation with a few simple steps. So I love it. I hope that Carlotta, my cat, will eventually love it as well. Now here's some footage of our favorite bed, which is my back. And this is just me laying and watching something on the computer. And yeah, that's her favorite spot. Hope you guys liked the video. I hope you can adapt this to your pet as well. Obviously, you can get a bigger crate or a smaller crate depending on the size of your pet. But yeah, I really like the finished result and I hope you guys liked it too. If you give this a try, remember to tag me on Instagram or other social media and I'll see you next time. Bye!